What is Tjhoko and why Tjhoko? Tjhoko is all about making a difference. Give inspiration, and it is passion in a jar. When we decided on the formulation of Tjhoko, the entire thinking process was to design a product that's unique, a single paint that can do so many things, the most important of it all, being a paint that creates job opportunities and that empowers people, and then also a paint with a story. And I think when you unscrew a jar of Tjhoko Paint, you will feel the passion and the love and the inspiration that's filled within every single jar. Tjhoko Paint is a uniquely formulated paint product that is water-based, eco-friendly, kind to nature and to your hands. And then we also have a book where we share the stories, the inspiration, the entire journey of Tjhoko. The names of our paint colors are named after people. We are a proudly South African brand, focused on job creation and empowerment. We share freely ideas, inspiration, a sense of community, and a sense of belonging. We are a rainbow nation, and we inspire to live colorful moments filled with inspiration. When you start using Tjhoko, you will feel part of something bigger and something beautiful. With Tjhoko, no tedious preparation is required, no sanding. You don't need to wax afterwards. It has a built-in primer and sealant, so it's easy to apply and the results are absolutely amazing. Tjhoko can be used on almost any surface with minimal preparation. Melamine kitchen cupboard doors can be upcycled with Tjhoko. You can paint onto glass, onto metal, onto certain fabric surfaces, onto plastic. The options are endless. You can be an artist with Tjhoko. I think you need to try it, fall in love with it, and share your creations with us. For you to become part of this Tjhoko family, go to our website, find your nearest stockist, or order online. Don't just paint it, Tjhoko it, and remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications.